Bonjour tout le monde. Aujourd'hui, on continue avec les contractions avec A et 2. C'est important pour la santé parce que il faut utiliser avoir mal à. Avoir mal à. Oui. Et si la partie du corps est féminine, détermine quelle contraction on utilise. Donc, numéro 1 dit. The preposition a can mean to, in, or at. A is contracted with le and le to form one word, o, or o, pluriel. Note that liaison occurs when o is followed by a vowel. Ok, donc, a plus le font o. Oui? Je vais au lycée. I'm going to the high school. A plus les font o. Le prof parle aux élèves. Le prof parle aux élèves. Si élève commence avec un voyelle, il faut faire le son Z. Oui, aux élèves. A plus la font à la. Tu vas à la cantine? Are you going to the cafeteria? A plus l'apostrophe font à l. Vous allez à l'école à pied? Are you going to school by foot or on foot? Ok, et c'est la même avec les contractions de, oui. Le numéro 2. The preposition de can mean of, from, or about. De contracts with le and les to form one word, do. De. Liaison occurs when de is followed by a vowel. De plus le font du. Il y a une belle vue du balcon. There is a beautiful view from the balcony. So do is from the, oui. De plus les font des. On parle toujours des amis. We always talk to some friends. Well, we always talk to our friends. So des amis. Parce que A, c'est une voyelle, il faut font le son Z. Oui, des amis. De plus la font de la. Il arrive de la cantine. So they arrive from the cafeteria. De plus l'apostrophe font de l. Je rentre de l'école. I am returning from school. Bon? Ok, maintenant on pratique. Non, on continue. Numéro 3. The preposition de also indicates possession or ownership. Le lycée de Vincent est à Paris. Vincent's high school is in Paris. Vincent's high school is in Paris. So that is denoting that the high school belongs to Vincent. De makes apostrophe S. C'est la voiture du professeur de Vincent. This is Vincent's teacher's car. This is Vincent's teacher's car. Minou est le chat de voisin de Vincent. Minou is Vincent's neighbor's cat. Minou is Vincent's neighbor's cat. Bon, we make this plural because neighbors is plural. Oui. Ok, so on pratique maintenant. On vend blank papeterie après l'école. So we are going to the, I guess you would call it like, it's really like a stationery store. They only sell like paper and different stationeries. I don't think we have a store like that here, but that's what this says. We are going to the stationery store after school. So we want to the. So we need to use this contraction. First, I need to find out, is papeterie, is it feminine or is it masculine? Then I will know if I'm using o, à la. No, I don't need to use a, l'apostrophe, because it doesn't start with a vowel. And I know I don't need to use o with the x because it's not plural. There's no s. So I need to know, is it masculine or is it feminine? I can do a quick check on Google and find out, and then I will know. The answer is à la. So papeterie is feminine. So on va à la papeterie après l'école. Je rentre blank appartement à 7 heures du soir. Okay, here I want to say I'm returning to the apartment at 7 o'clock this evening. Okay, so we can see that this starts with a vowel, so we know we're going to use et à l'apostrophe. So, je rentre à l'appartement à 7 heures du soir. La maison blank professeur est très belle. So here I want to say that the teacher's house is very, oh, I said belle, is vieille, is very old. So here I want to show ownership. So, la maison du professeur est très vieille. So generally we make professor masculine, no matter whether it's a woman or a man who is the teacher. We make that word masculine. So du professeur. Le serveur parle blank client. So we want to say the server or the waiter is talking to the clients. So we want to use this contraction. We notice it's a S here. It's plural. So we need to make sure that we make it plural. Le serveur parle au client. Still sounds like O-A-U, right? Because we don't pronounce the X unless it's followed by a vowel. Bon? Où est le collège blank copain de Christine? Okay, where is the middle school of Christine's friends, or where is Christine's friends' middle school? So in this case, we want to show ownership. So we have to use the contraction for de. So, où est le collège des copains de Christine? Copain has a S, so we know that this is friends, right? Okay. So, there is your lesson on contractions avec a et de.